Great morning, everyone. I am your host, Angela Tan, and welcome to ProFriends Virtual Open House, where your dream home is just one click away. We are here at ProFriends Development, the PARC Regency Residences in Barangay Ungka 2, Pavia. This October episode is entitled Promise. Because World Teachers Day falls in this month, we will be paying tribute to our beloved teachers. I know we consider our teachers as our second parents who patiently guide us to difficult life lessons and of course as well as life skills and values. To all the teachers out there, thank you so much for your love and dedication. Today, we will be inspired by the story of Madeline and her brother and how they worked hard together to make their childhood dream a reality. Adjusting to the new normal, Madeline is busy checking her laptop and doing her lesson plans. She regularly meets with her students 3 times a week online. Her brother is an engineer who is currently working in Saudi Arabia. Even during the pandemic, they make it a point to keep in touch weekly and ask each other's well-being. Madeline wants to move to a less congested area in Iloilo so that her parents will be safe. She asks her brother if now is the right time to fulfill their childhood dream of owning a home. Ever since they were young, it was their dream to provide a home for their parents. With that goal in mind, Madeline and her brother always worked hard and made sure to regularly save for their big dream. With their combined savings, they are now entertaining the idea of owning a home for their family. Madeline starts her online research and encounters an ad showing a beautiful home in Pavia. She finds Pavia to be an ideal location to live since it is still close to the city. Feeling excited, she contacts the agent who in turn answers all her inquiries. The agent also showed her the video of the home. Madeline felt very comfortable with the agent that she also inquired how she may go on an actual tripping. She and the agent agreed to meet up at the GT Town Center Pavia, one of the main commercial establishments of the area. Going there, Madeline is pleasantly surprised that her chosen home is very accessible through major roads and it is very convenient. They toured around the model units as well as the village's amenities, and she is convinced that she has found their dream home. That night, she video called her brother and told him of the good news. After presenting all the details, they both decided to reserve the unit right away. Several months later, they are proud homeowners of the PARC Regency Residences community with a safer and brighter future ahead. Another beautiful story of making dreams come true from one of our honorable teachers. We salute you for your hard work, and by the way, happy Teachers Day. Just like Madeline and her brother, I am now curious to know more about this cozy house at PARC Regency, the Madeline. Good thing we have here with us Anton Vega from ProFriends who will show us around Madeline House Model.
Thank you, Angela. It's so nice to be here today, and I am excited to show you around our Madeline House model, one of the best sellers in PARC.
Thank you also, Anton. I'm sure our viewers are very interested to know more and to see Madeline House Model. Let's go!
Madeline is my personal favorite because of its warm colors and nice ground floor layout.
This house is a Filipino-inspired interior. I also love the fact that the ground floor was designed to make the living, dining, and kitchen areas spacious. There is also a toilet and bath here for guests.
Ang mas namian ko sa layout ni Madeline, ang iya nga isolated kitchen area. So tago siya, di ba? So plus may mga areas kaya kung pwede madugangan ato mga storages na rin sila.
That's right. Nami pa siya, sir, because if niara ka malang gagmay ng mga kabataan, very safe kung magluto ka sa kitchen kaya separate siya from the living room.
Its dining area is also close to the sliding door that leads to the garden. So imagine if you have your family and guests here in the house. You can enjoy having lunch indoors and outdoors. What is more, some of the Madeline units have linear parks. These are extra spaces at the back of the house that are designed for gatherings.
Wow, an additional space for outdoor events? That's indeed an added point.
Madeline is perfect for those families who value their privacy, since all the bedrooms are here in the second floor. Come, let's start with the master bedroom.
Ooh, namin isang master bedroom. Feeling ko kung magtulog ka, di man namin hindi matulog. Kaya ka-cozy sa feeling.
Yes, kag mabugnaw pa, kahit kung may tatlo ka bintana.
Oh yeah!
The master bedroom is the biggest room in the house and it has an access door to the bathroom.
I totally agree with you, Anton. Meanwhile, the two other bedrooms are for the children or it can be converted into a workstation. I would say that during the new normal, we need at least 3 bedrooms in the house for various activities. This is a really good investment. Just imagine 3 bedrooms with maximized spaces plus a garden. Not only that, Park Regency is also a few minutes away from the city and nearby malls just like GT Town Center Pavia, City Mall, and Robinson. And I've also noticed that Park is a subdivision with a lot of trees, outdoor spaces, and a clubhouse where the family can enjoy the outdoors. So today you may contact our accredited Pro Friends sellers. Thank you so much, Sir Anton, for showing us around the Madeline house model.
It's my pleasure, Angela. If you have any inquiries, don't hesitate to message us at our official Facebook page and we will be happy to assist you.